Hi guys, today I'm very excited because I just received this TECSPACE stretchable fence with wheels for rig purposes, and I think it's really nice. First, as we can see, it comes very well packaged. It says that it's fragile and it comes in bubble wrap, which protects it a lot. Here are the instructions manual that I'll put aside. We'll take the bubble wrap off. Here it has different parts. It comes very secured with also this little lasso, so I'm gonna cut it. These are the wheels. It comes with its own lock, so you just put the fence on one place and it won't move, which I think is nice. And this stand. Okay, here is all you need to assemble it. So I'm gonna assemble it, and also it comes with one extra wheel if you need it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so now it's ready. It's all set up. So I'm gonna place it in here in the office in a place that I think it will fit very nice. So let's go. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna put it like this. So this part can be hidden in here. Now, like this, close this side. You can see it won't move. You can also close the other side if you like it. Just like that, it's closed. So now no one can pass through here. If you don't want to waste that much time, don't leave it all the way. You can just do it like this. It has this hinge right here, so you can just open it without needing to close this part. That pass. So this is a very nice stretchable fence. I really like the design. It's simple and it is a very good quality in the materials and how it feels. It runs very smooth, and that's why I will actually really recommend this stretchable fence.